Menteri Rangba Kajilla Konrad Kongkal Sangma mentakasi ke arterik unailar ula yatho shekilat pathai kubor ula ong bagajing menteri kami ke new education policy ha Kajilla Meghalaya kan yat be chakmat ha Baroki College ki badan ha Kajilla namar kalong ka babhahi ki samla puli Kajilla ula ong ru baka sarkar ka sotho baki samla puli kin mat ya kajing e henry ula yatho baka sarkar kan persyang banyarap iki jing e jang ki samla puli bat ki jaka puli.
The state government is going to give to such colleges?
So, number one, NEP is something that we have to implement. And obviously, there is consensus in the fact that the NEP is good for the students. So, therefore, that aspect is very clear. Nobody is against the NEP. The challenge is in actually implementing it in terms of the manpower and the infrastructure that is required for it. So therefore, in any kind of change that is there in any system, transition has its own challenges, and hence we don't expect that everything will happen in a smooth manner. Or we wish it would happen, but we understand that it's not so simple, and hence the challenges will be there. And from the state government side, of course, for all the government colleges, we will be doing all the necessary steps that are required. The deficit colleges that are supported, which of course, as I mentioned, is independent, run by management committees, and wherever government has given support, that support of course will continue, and we will see to what extent we can support, because there will be a lot of colleges that are there, and we cannot just give a blanket green signal that we'll do everything. The management committee, the college sponsors will also have to work hand in hand with the government to make it happen. So we'll have to see how it goes. But as I said, of course, the government will also be there to support in whatever way possible. But we cannot commit and say that everything will be done by the government. We'll do our best. All the colleges are required to move ahead with this. Whether it will happen now or it will happen later, that's something that the Education Department and NEHU will discuss with the respective colleges which are affiliated to NEHU, which is almost all of them. And hence that discussion will happen on a case-to-case basis. But from a larger perspective, as I said, number one is very clear that there is no opposition to the NEP. Everybody knows that it is in the best interest, and hence everybody agrees that it should happen. Number two, everybody also understands that there's a huge challenge to it. It's not that it's easy. All transitions are difficult, and hence we will have to ensure that whatever challenges are there, we have to slowly overcome those challenges. There will be a lot of financial challenges, capacity building, rooms, infrastructure. All of these will have to be created. And third, as I said, from the government side, we will do whatever possible in our hands to support it. Going into details of which college, how far they have reached, what is the status of each college, that we worked out with the respective education department and the respective colleges.
So my point is whether only government colleges will go ahead.
That's what I'm saying. So it's difficult for me to state right now. There are certain deficit colleges who also are very keen to move forward. The students are very keen to move forward with it. And obviously it's our desire to see that it does move ahead in every angle and every college. But there are challenges in all levels, and obviously we'll have to see how to overcome them.
So we can say in whatever way this will go on now.
Yeah, we have to move forward. There's no choice. We have to be very clear. We have to move forward. But it does not mean that we can just bulldoze our way. It doesn't mean that we cannot take the college and the teachers into confidence. We'll have to take people into confidence, and we'll have to see how to move forward and work together to overcome those challenges. After 50 years, we've come out with a state university now. So I understand that as we doing things, the expectations always go up. But the state university actually should have happened a long time back. So it has started now. And of course, we will be, for the first part, we will be having the campus or the office of the State University in Shillong also. But right now, going up with another university at the state level, that's not in the cards right now. There's a lot of financial impact and so many other factors we have to look into. And obviously, if we have to first start the current one, then maybe we can think of the second one. So let us first stabilize the first, see how it moves forward. Set up the campuses in different parts of the state wherever we feel it's necessary, and then we can decide on the second phase. Thank you.